What are your Christmas holiday vacation plans? Are you heading on a road trip like us, something like this? What is it that you are planning on doing? And do you have the time and the funds to go and do it? We've got a pre-Christmas adventure happening. We are out and about just checking the wheel bearings on our boat as we make our way to our next destination and hanging out on the side of the road, just chilling. So whilst Craig's just checking the wheel bearings, no issues, no problems, just double checking it, he's a bit of a perfectionist, I get to just hang out here, create a quick little video, help him hand over a spanner here and there, and then this is how I'm earning income, doing something as simple as this. So if you want to, let's wait for that tractor to pass by, if you want to be able to learn how to, another noisy car passing by. So if you want to learn how to earn income while you're just on the side of the road chilling, pop ready in the comments or just follow along and see what else I'm getting up to as we drive from the middle of Mozambique all the way down to South Africa. It's going to be a fun adventure and you're going to come along for the ride. See you.